In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete assets in Magnific AI Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to confidently remove items you no longer need. First, open the Magnific AI app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to the right account. A stable internet connection helps here since your changes sync to your workspace. Once you're in, head to the main screen and look toward the bottom navigation bar. Next, tap Work at the bottom. This is the hub where your assets live. In Magnific AI, assets can include images, projects, or other generated files. Think of this area as your organized library. If you have a lot of content, take a moment to scroll and get your bearings. Some versions of the app may offer filters or sorting. Those can help you narrow down what you're looking for. Now, choose what you want to delete. Before you remove anything, double check that you've picked the correct asset. If the thumbnail or title looks similar to others, tap into it briefly to be certain it's the one you intend to delete. Deleting the right item now saves headaches later. When you're ready, tap the three dots next to the asset. This opens the Quick Actions menu for that specific item. From this menu, select Delete. The app will then prompt you to confirm. This confirmation is important because deletion is usually permanent and can't be undone. Read the prompt carefully, make sure it matches your intention, and then tap Confirm. That's it. You've removed the asset from your workspace. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Work tab, try returning to the home screen or updating the app to the latest version. And if you're managing a large library, consider reviewing items regularly so you only keep what's active and relevant. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps each time you need to clean up your projects, and your Magnific AI mobile workspace will stay streamlined and easy to navigate.